Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video features the joint flight test of the Skydroid H16 remote controller and the CUAV NEO 4 SE GPS. The Skydroid H16 is an all-in-one drone remote control solution that integrates long-range HD video transmission, data link and radio control. It features low latency, strong anti-interference capability and long communication range, making it suitable for a variety of daily flight and testing scenarios. The CUAV NEO 4 SE GPS, paired with the Holybro V6X flight controller, provides high-precision positioning and flight control support. Test preparation. The setup for this flight test includes Skydroid H16 remote controller, Skydroid MIPI camera, CUAV NEO 4 SE GPS, CUAV V6X flight controller, and a 450 drone frame. Before takeoff, the propellers are removed. Using Skydroid FlyGPS software, the motors are unlocked, and their rotation directions are checked one by one. After confirming everything is correct, the propellers are installed to ensure flight safety. Flight performance. During takeoff, the H16 transmits control commands with high precision. The motors accelerate smoothly and the drone takes off naturally. As altitude increases, the CUAV NEO 4 SE GPS works seamlessly with the flight controller, enabling the drone to hover with almost no drift, showing excellent stability. In the waypoint flight test, the low latency of the H16 is fully demonstrated. Stability. The drone responds smoothly when turning, accelerating, or decelerating, with no noticeable shaking or overcompensation. Precision control. At low altitude close to ground flights, the H16 captures even the smallest stick movements accurately, allowing the drone to follow operator inputs precisely, performing lateral moves, hovering, and spot rotations with ease. Anti-interference. Even in environments with multiple interference sources, GPS positioning remains stable. Communication between the flight controller and remote controller shows no frame drops or disconnections, confirming the system's reliability. Coordination between remote controller and GPS. The H16 and CUAV NEO 4 GPS complement each other perfectly. The H16 provides real-time, responsive manual control, ensuring smooth flight maneuvers. The GPS module delivers accurate coordinate and directional data, enabling functions such as auto-hover, waypoint flight, and return to home. During the test, the fusion of H16 commands and GPS data allows smooth execution of auto missions and seamless transition to manual control, greatly improving both safety and flexibility. Flight Test Summary. The combination of CUAV V6X flight controller, Skydroid H16 remote controller, and CUAV NEO 4SE GPS demonstrates outstanding stability and reliability. Application scenarios. This setup is well suited for daily flight practice, function testing, and new frame debugging. Whether for flight controller parameter tuning, stability verification, or routine flight training, the H16 and NEO 4SE combination provides operators with a reliable and smooth flying experience. At the end of the test, using the Return to Home function in Skydroid FlyG's software, the drone executes the command quickly and lands accurately at the takeoff point. The return accuracy is within a very small error margin, further proving the professionalism of this system. The H16 remote controller comes with a 7-inch HD high-brightness display, which remains clear even under strong outdoor light. The MIPI camera delivers video with ultra-low latency, allowing operators to monitor the drone's flight status and surrounding environment in real time. That concludes today's flight test of the Skydroid H16 and CUAV NEO 4SE. Thank you for watching and supporting our channel. If you have questions or would like us to cover a specific part in more detail in future videos, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the World Drone Market channel for more drone reviews, tutorials, and practical guides. See you in the next video.